I tell, no, I don't want clean. Stop, it's okay.
Nothing happens.
Nothing happens. If the staff maintenance is wrong and want clean, but after tell, no, wrong, I don't want clean, can stop. Okay?
Okay.
Have second opportunity.
Okay.
Okay, now, well, if you want self-cleaning.
When we press self-cleaning, first of all, we start the blower pump, and now we are going to open that valve. What we do now is to mix all the perlite. We make here a kind of cyclone, mixing all the perlite and detaching that perlite from the flexible tubes. So you can see that white powder is the perlite mixing and cycloning inside the tank. This is something similar to a regeneration. When we do a regeneration, we do the same. Open the drain. We can see the volume of water is going down. Here is the minimum, the level sensor. We are emptying the tank while the blower pump is functioning. And this contributes to move the water, the perlite and the dirt to the drain. We are emptying the tank. If you want, we can go out. And then it's water, perlite and dirt. Okay, because it's great. And we are emptying and the pressure of the blower pump contributing or avoiding to have deposits of perlite in the bottom of the filter.
Make filter clean and empty. Load perlite and make sure all valves are closed.
This is the message that appears when the self-cleaning is complete.
Okay.
For example, if you see the flex tubes and you are not happy with the cleaning of the flex tubes, or you need to spend more water because you have to renew water to your pool, you can press the extra cleaning button. With the extra cleaning button, when you press, you are going to do a self-cleaning, but not the empty of the filter, because it's supposed that it's empty. You are only going to clean the filter with the rings and the self-cleaning valve. This is the self-cleaning system. With the self-cleaning, we can clean the side seam, the flex tubes, the deposit, and the roof. We don't need to open the manhole and inject water. We are injecting water from the inside of the filter in specified places to clean all the flex tubes and the deposit and the roof. After cleaning the flex tubes, we are going to do a small rinse, 10 seconds, to finally completely clean the flex tubes, and then the self-cleaning is complete.